Hello guys, this is Vamsi. Today the subject is AWS related cloud partitioner. In the cloud partitioner, the topic is we're going to see in this video is theoretical and conceptual foundations. The faculty advisor is Victor Govindaswamy from Concordia University Chicago. Overview of AWS Global Infrastructure. The global physical foundations of AWS Cloud Services contains edge locations, networking and data centers. Low latency, scalability and high availability are built in, constructed to adhere to stringent security and compliance requirements. Services millions of clients in more than 190 nations. Overview of the essential elements. You can see the diagram. Regions are distinct geographical areas. Isolated data centers within the regions are known as availability zones. Edge locations provides users with the connect with close proximity. Wavelength zones and local zones. Extremely low latency infrastructure, the backbone of the global network that links all the parts. Availability zones, edges. For the fault tolerance, each area usually has three or more availability zones. Power, cooling, network, and networking are separate components of each availability zones. Fiber connections at high speeds between availability zones. Tone on failover and load balancing between zones. High availability architectures foundations. AWS regions. Distinct geographical regions spread around the world. For redundancy, each region has several agents. Use select region according to the pricing, compliance, and latency. More than 35 regions globally with an annual growth rate. Where necessary, it guarantees data sovereignty. Data sovereignty. Edge locations. Lower latency for user everywhere. Support for lambda at the rate edge. API gateway and Route 53 DNS. 100 of places throughout the world. Offer worldwide coverage for caching and contact contact sorry contact delivery. Wavelength of zones and local zones. AWS services are made available in distinct metro areas through local zones. Perfect for real-time applications, media and gaming. Wavelength zones combine 5G telecom network with AWS. Provide end users with a single digit millisecond delay. Security of data centers. Physically security measures with multiple layers. CCTV, uh, surveillance, biometric access and guards. Protectment, cooling and electrical infrastructure. Environmental safeguards against flooding and fire. Adhere to international standards such as ISO 27001 and SOC 2 easily extended VPC from the parent region. Redundancy and scalability. Every level, aged regions and global network has built-in redundancy, scaling horizontally between availability zones and regions. Automated failover systems for important tasks. Zone to zone load balancing for dependability and performances. Multiple transport providers in a reboot backbone network. Governance and compliance. Region associate in fulfilling the standard for data residency. Certifications such as PCI, DSS, GDPR, and HIPAA. Committed, commented edicts and compliance terms. AWS Artifact for compliance reports that are available on demand. Policies or services control under multi-account governance. Conceptual fundamental foundation synonyms. AWS Global Infrastructure is the foundation of cloud computing, including high availability, security, and worldwide reach. Elements Elements are edge, local wavelength zones, agents, and regions. Designed with redundancy, scalability, and compliance in mind. The basis for all AWS architecture and services. Thank you. Thank you, guys. This is about theoretical concepts foundation, conceptual foundations.